Hi everyone! Today on GCGTV we're going sled riding. Golf cart garage style. Maybe you know you can always count on us for the best chargers, parts, and accessories, but did you know we also do our own stunts? Okay, so this footage may have been sped up a bit for a comic effect, maybe just a touch. Okay, actually, I almost tripled the speed on this, but I promise we were very careful, and no golf cart mechanics or children were harmed in the making of this film. Whether it's free shipping, 5-star service, or the occasional light-hearted video, Golf Cart Garage wants to put a smile on your face. So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.